Alright. You getting me ready, are you? I have to wear my hat, do I? Very hot outside, is it? And what are we going to do? Okay, so this is our, you have Sunday lunch in Christian countries. This is your Friday lunch. Don't worry, you're not in the camera. It's a famous dish, just like a famous form of dish. It's called the maglube, and they use a big plate, family food. And what my 3-year-old daughter's excited about is the bone plate, which we leave tiny bits of meat and stuff on it for the cats. And might as well check out a bit of the house as well. You can see sort of the decor. Yeah, I know. I'm not putting you in the camera. Don't worry. Yeah. So you got great-grandfather and stuff like that. And anyway, so let's get on with the. Shall we do it? Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Let's go. So you're gonna. There's always a lot of things to see about the house that is probably worth mentioning, but I've skipped, so oops. Leaving my clothes around, that's not very good. So what we're doing is going to feed the kittens, and they get really excited. Let's just see what happens. Or you want to call the kittens? Okay, let's try it. Meow, meow. There you go. There they go. There's one more. Meow. Keep calling kittens. One more. Okay, better close this, otherwise they'll come in the house. Okay, come. Oh, big cat as well. Is it scary? Where's the other one? Meow. Are you scared? They're babies. Diaphnagm, come on, don't be scared. Come, don't be scared, come on. Okay. Meow. There's one more. There's one more kitten, can't leave him out. Okay. Meow. Where is he? Oh, they're having, there's always something. Okay, so they're having more water. We always put water out for the animals. And it should be worth noting, let me try to show you. So it's always quite funny watching these. Oh, it's quite low. I thought we put more water. Anyway, it's quite funny watching them drink water. But also, okay, this is a land. There's water put out for dogs. You can't see it, but somewhere out there, people are checking out land as well. Maybe they've been standing there for a while. Those people. Maybe they're going to build a house there. And the kittens are probably getting annoyed that the food is not getting out. So I better shorten this video. But I'm looking for number 3. Where are you, number 3? Meow. Number 3 is going to miss out. Where is number 3? Yeah. So sometimes so there's no dogs or pet dogs in a normal sense. There's not even pet cats in a normal sense. Nobody's got put leads on them, considered bad. So we do feed the dogs, but not today. There's only a little bit. So this dog knows that he gets fed. He's looking at me. And there's another dog also waiting, but it's not going to get food today. That one's usually waiting. This one's a new guy. Maybe he's just heard the news that food comes here. Oh, 1 second. Anyway, so I have to close this. So Afnan, come, Tay. Otherwise they'll come in wanting the food. By the way, all the animals are scared of humans, even though they pretend to be scary. Oh, okay, never mind. Looks like number 3 is not coming. Which back door? Okay.
Because the back corridor.
Oh, I see, I see, I see. So, what my wife is saying is that there's a back gate, sort of not garage or driveway, that's opened where dogs can come in. They're very smart. The same dog that you saw in the front knows how to get round, and we don't want it joining the party. It's not much food, just enough for the kittens, and the cats do get scared when the dogs arrive. Anyway, here we go. Finally, you're going to see how excited they get. Meow, meow. So I love this, not just to watch the show as it were, but I love not wasting food. We don't have so much rubbish. What else? Yeah. And also, people might be thinking, oh, we're just nice to animals. There's a, let's say, labourer, a worker, who's been doing another interesting project today, which is chopping up wood, spare wood that's around the house, for a wood fire that we'll be using in the winter. Yes, we do have a winter. And so, yeah, we gave food to him as well. I think that's very important to mention that we respect people as well. We're not just nice to animals. Sometimes in so-called animal-loving countries, we don't respect the animals of our own species, human beings. Anyway, and then, yeah, you might hear them going, "Rrr." That means they're really enjoying it and they think it's worth protecting, and nobody should take their food. Getting excited there. Anyway, maybe that's cool.